Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.61. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.29%. This results in an average return of 0.15% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 75.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 75.52% to 116.14%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.33%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -31.07% and +41.26% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 4.70 and 9.63. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock price ended at $6.82 on Wednesday after gaining approximately 0.294%. The NIO stock price increased by about 0.294% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025. Rising from $6.80 to $6.82. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.45%, with a low of $6.74 and a high of $7.04. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, down by 10.85% for this period. The trading volume decreased by 17 million shares on the last day, with a total of 39 million shares exchanged for approximately $265,540,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $8.02, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 14.96%, or $1.20, below the 52-week high, and 89.82%, or $60.17, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is transitioning from volatility into momentum. This week, analysts upgraded the stock to a buy recommendation, suggesting that fears surrounding tariffs and recent fluctuations are largely accounted for. NIO has reported record deliveries, with third-quarter volumes increasing by approximately 41% year-over-year, and September achieving new highs. The company is approaching a significant milestone of 1 million cumulative deliveries. New models such as the Onvo L90, along with a multi-brand strategy incorporating Onvo and Firefly, are expanding the customer base. Additionally, a new cost control mechanism for the complete built unit and indications of reduced losses and improving gross margins signify operational discipline. However, there are some challenges. Vehicle margins have decreased. Revenue displayed mixed signals earlier this quarter, and risks associated with tariffs and broader market sell-offs have led to recent declines of over 10%. In the short term, anticipate that macroeconomic and geopolitical news will result in fluctuations in share prices, making them vulnerable to profit-taking. In the medium to long term, sustained growth in deliveries, product diversification, and stricter cost controls enhance the pathway to break-even and support potential upside in the stock, provided that execution remains strong and margins recover. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, it was reported that UBS also gave NIO a buy grade, this time with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, Bank of America Securities rated NIO as neutral with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, Macquarie rated NIO with an outperform grade and an upgrade action. Finally, on Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Volume declined during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the stock's near-term performance. Currently, NIO stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. On upward corrections, resistance levels can be found at $7.19 and $6.91. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, October 2nd, 2025. And as of now, the stock has declined by 13.56%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.34 and $6.09. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support point. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $6.34. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $6.09 and $5.72. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.3% between its high and low, which is 4.45%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.73%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging times, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 240 thousandths of a dollar. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $6.91. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $6.34. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? The NIO stock shows several negative signals, and despite the recent positive trend, we anticipate that NIO will underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 16th of October, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 4.67 cents and begin trading at $6.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.